Hi everyone, this is Sarah the Catholic Homemaker. Today we are going to be making grass-fed beef jerky. It is so good. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome and please consider subscribing so we can continue to grow this community. Hit the like button if you like this video and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please also consider sharing this video so more people can see it and commenting below on what you think. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get started on the recipe. Alright, here's what you're going to need. 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef from your local farmer, preferably. 4 cloves of garlic, which are rather large. 3/4 of a cup of organic fermented soy sauce. Some onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, coconut sugar. All right, I went ahead and chopped up all the garlic, minced it very quickly, and I added in a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar and stir it well. And I'm just stirring it right into the soy sauce for it to dissolve. That's what I'm going to be doing with all these ingredients, just adding garlic right into there so it can all easily mix well into the ground beef. Now I'm adding some black pepper. This is really more just to your liking. I would say between 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon. Now I'm adding some paprika, and I added a teaspoon of it. And preferably get all organic ingredients if you can. I get my spices at Aldi and Walmart, and they're really the best prices. So I added a couple teaspoons of onion powder, and I'm sorry, okay, yeah, I'm adding some organic cayenne pepper. Just to make sure everything dissolved because I didn't want it to be grainy in the beef jerky. So now I'm just mixing everything together with my hands. You could use a wooden spoon or a metal spoon, but I'm just using my hands. It doesn't really gross me out. It's just good to wash your hands afterwards. And I put plastic wrap on top and stored it in the fridge and marinated it overnight. And now my husband is placing it in a thin layer on dehydrator sheets, and our dehydrator, we need to put parchment paper on it. And so we're putting it to the highest temperature, which is 150 degrees. And I'm just going to start with the time for 12 hours and see if that's going to be long enough. And it's been dehydrating for over 12 hours now. You may need to adjust the time depending on the thickness of it, but it's very important that it's completely dry and there's no moisture left because otherwise it could mold. Oh, sorry about that. I guess I had only done it for 5 hours and 20 minutes about at that time. But it had dried a lot by then, so I would just say keep an eye on it, and that's about what it needs to look like, but I think it needs to go a little bit longer. So I kept on dehydrating it. Now this is the final part, and that's what you want it to look like. It's completely dry and very thin. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it to be simple and fun, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, God bless you and your families.